Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here to talk to you about the Sea Ray 2015 350 SLX, a trade that we just got in. It's a great boat, does just about everything you want it to do. You can see that it's got the blue hull. In the profile of the boat, it's got a deep V, cuts through the water nicely, down to Key West, no problem, good long runs, comfortably. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 350 SLX. Start with some of the neat features. It's got a really large, comfortable sun pad on the back of the boat. Fantastic, great view. Large L-shaped seating. Got a little prep area over here with a refrigerator. Little water for preparing food and type of things all right in here. Extra seat here. This seat actually spins around and makes this a 360 seating area here. Very large, comfortable head with a vacuum flush, window, handheld shower. Real nice. Then you've got the joystick. So this is an Axius boat. So you've got the joystick operation with autopilot and skyhook. It's got the Raymarine touchscreen, so you got a really nice dash setup here. Down here, large storage for it's actually a little lying area. It's got a cushion you can lay down for a little nap. Large seating up here as well. Beach boarding ladder so you can board off the front of the boat. Nice hard top, does everything great. If you want to see any more boats that we may have, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And any questions on this one, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.